Hey DIY clubbers, what's happening? So I wanted to come to you guys with a video that is not necessarily DIY unless you consider putting together outfits DIY, which I do. So I actually ordered from BooHoo for the first time and I wanted to do a haul. So stay tuned and let's see how these pieces that I ordered actually came out. So this is my first haul that I've ever done. I have watched plenty of them though, because as I said, this is my first time ever ordering from BooHoo. And so I wanted to watch a few other people's videos to see how the sizing really works, because sometimes it's a little hard to really decide what size you really want to order, especially with a lot of these fast fashion brands. The sizing can be a little bit off. So admittedly, I ordered a size up from what I would normally wear because I would rather some of the items be too big versus them being too small. And that's just how I prefer some of my clothes to fit. So if they're a little bit bigger, I'm okay. So this is the first item that I ordered. Is a pair of distressed jeans slash leggings. They have a little bit of distressing here on the knee of both of the items. They are the plus rip knee skinny jegging in the color mid blue. And I ordered these in a size 24. Like I said, I wasn't really sure. And they look huge, you guys. They really do. Just in terms of what I'm normally used to my jeggings or jeans looking like. But we're gonna give these a try. And I'm also going to actually pair these with a top that I bought, which is this top. It's kind of like a boat neck, striped off shoulder. Well, this neck hole is not too big, so I doubt it'll be off shoulder. But it was really cute on the model. It's got 3/4 length sleeves. So I'm gonna pair these with the jeans just to see how it looks. Okay, so here is outfit number one with the striped. It's kind of got bat wings a little bit with the sleeves. And the sleeves are a little bit tighter right around here. But overall, not bad. Like, I don't hate the outfit. The jeans are actually really comfortable right around here. It's weird, but they do get a little tight around the knees. But I think that will actually loosen up once I kind of get these patches distressed a little bit more and stretch them out to where they are not as tight. But they do fit. You feel comfortable. You know, the shirt is definitely a keeper. Okay, so the next item I bought was this shirt with this really cute saying, "Nothing to wear," which is, let's all be real, especially with the pandemic, we all have plenty to wear, just nowhere to wear it to. But I got this shirt. It's in like this kind of nude brownish color. It again looked really cute on the model, and this one is actually really oversized. I got it in a size 22. And the neck is a little stretchy. So I'm going to be pairing this with this pair of black leggings that I got. And these are kind of like that pleather material. And the great thing about these are that they actually came in a 2-pack. So we have a basic pair of leggings, which are more of a softer material. And then we have the pleather like leggings that I'm going to be pairing with the brown nothing to wear shirt. And then with the softer leggings, I'm actually going to pair that with this green top that I got from BooHoo as well. And again, it's just kind of like an oversized, really lightweight material. I am actually planning on doing my first bout of traveling next month, and so I wanted a few new pieces to wear because I will actually be going out. I am going to still be socially distancing and adhering to all of the rules by the CDC. I will be double masked up, as well as having my visor and my shield. So don't worry, I'm not gonna be reckless while I'm traveling. Okay, so here is outfit number 2, and 100% completely in love, no questions about it. It's exactly what I wanted when I thought of this outfit. It is comfortable, oversized. It even stretches enough to where if I wanted to wear it off shoulder, I could, but it's not necessary for real. But you know, at least I have options. And these leather pants, I've wanted a pair of leather pants for so long, and y'all, and the fact that they were 2 for 1 essentially, winning, okay? I'm winning, you guys. Okay, so here is outfit number 3. I am kind of liking this. The shirt has that flexibility that I look for in shirts, but for some reason the sleeves are like really tight right around here, and I don't know why. But actually, I mean, I don't hate it. And these super comfortable, again, just like the pleather ones. Really comfortable, really stretchy. Everything is really stretchy, and just a really cute pair of black leggings, classic. So the next item that I ordered is actually this really cute kind of houndstooth skirt, but the adorable thing is that it has like these suspenders to where you'll be able to actually put them over your shoulders, and that will also be what kind of holds up the skirt. I am really excited to try this one on because I always wanted a skirt like this when I was in high school. For whatever reason, didn't think my body was the type of body that would be able to pull this off, but now I have a lot more confidence and I am excited to try this on. I'm actually going to pair this with a black basic top. Okay, so here is the one that I've been waiting for. Oh, yo, this is everything I wanted it to be as well. This is so adorable. It's got a little movement to it. The straps are so cute. I was a huge nerd in school anyways, so I feel like it just adds to the aesthetic. Pair this with a cute pair of heels. 100%. Definitely. Love. Okay, so the next item that I got as well is this kind of, I can't think of what the material is with this, but it is the Plus Cord Plunge Front Mini Dress, and I got this in a size 20. Again, this is one of the items that I kind of always wanted when I was in high school and never got, and it comes with pockets, which everybody knows we love a good pocket because it allows you to carry things, and it seems pretty long actually. I'm again gonna pair it with one of those just basic tops. Okay, so this is the last outfit. This is the little kind of not a romper per se, but look like corduroy. That's the word I was looking for. Kind of a corduroy material, little mini dress, and I don't know. I don't think I'm feeling it. It is a little bit tight right here where the buttons are, but this part looks a little weird to me. I don't know. I'm not too sure. It creates, yeah, I don't think I like this one. It creates a weird shape here. And I don't know if it looks as weird in person as it does on camera. Yeah. No, it's not doing what I want it to do for me. Last item that I got was this really big sweater. Now, this one I got in a size 20 as well. This is the Plus Color Block Oversized Sweater, and I love the dash of orange that runs right through the middle of it. It is a lot bigger than I would have expected it to be, but I'm also not mad at it. So, and it's a lot thicker as well. Like, the inside is, y'all, this is gonna feel so good on. This is gonna feel so good on. So I decided to just go ahead and pair this oversized color block sweater with the same super soft leggings, and I like it. It's, like I said, really comfy, really oversized. Will be good when it gets chilly again. Definitely not a on-season order for me. It's all right. It's fine. But I actually feel like I maybe could have gone a size down, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the extra room that I have. Like I said, this is really cute. Paired with like a simple pair of leggings. And when it gets cold, like, this will be really cute with a pair of boots. And yeah, I like it. All right, that is the end of this haul. I decided to just go ahead and film this outro standing up. I didn't want to change how I had my whole system again for me to sit down, and that is fine. So out of all the outfits that I tried on, loved each and every one of them, with the exception of the last one, the corduroy. That one just did not give me what I wanted it to give, and so I'm gonna try to decide whether I want to send it back or if I want to just go ahead and donate it. I'm not really sure yet, but like I said, I will leave links down below for all the pieces if I can find them again. And at the very least, I will have put the prices, what I got each piece for, so that way you guys can kind of take a look and see if you want to go and get them. Like I said, I suggest everything except for that last piece. It just did not do what I wanted it to do. Anyways, let me know if you guys want to see more hauls. This outfit that I'm wearing right here, this little cute romper, I actually got this from Fashion Nova, I do believe, and it was super cheap. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. But like I said, let me know if you want to see more hauls and how you guys liked this one. I don't know how you guys do hauls all the time. It gets super hot really quick. So make sure you leave me a comment down below, like this video, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell too, so you know when I upload, which, if you don't know, is every Tuesday. All right, you guys, I love you wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.